Good morning, second graders. Happy Thursday. Hope you are having a fabulous week. All right. I am Miss Leba. Thank you guys so much for listening to the recording. I just want to go over a few things on our day today. So here we are. Here it is December 14th. In the OLS, we are working on Unit 6, Lesson 12, and during Class Connects this week, we're doing the map assessment. Now, if you already took it back here, you're fine. You don't have to take it again. We just need you to take it that one time. Just a few things to point out. Don't forget that tomorrow is the last day of MGAs. It's the last day in the cycle, so it's the last day to turn in MGAs. You may want to go back through and review the MIC over November and December so far and just make sure that you have completed all the MGAs up into this point. Something else to point out, and I'm just going to do this for math, but just know that this is listed here for ELA and Science and Social Studies as well. Over in this column, you'll see how many lessons are expected to be complete for our August enrollees and September enrollees. And you just want to make sure that your OLS matches where we are here, just so that you know you're staying on track. Okay. First thing today, of course, we're going to click on that math maintenance. Make sure you set aside a good 15-20 minutes to complete the math maintenance for the day. And we have added in telling time into our December. This is an important skill for our second graders to learn. Excuse me. All right. So, real quick, I'm going to introduce you to a game today. This is called High-Low. This is a really fun game, really easy game to play. All you need for it is a deck of cards and a partner. And learning coaches, y'all can be good partners for our friends out here, for our super mathematicians. And I would almost guarantee that most or all of you have played the game War before. And this game is very similar to War. So what you do is you set up with your partner, and you can play again with another person. You want to play with one other person. Now, if you start adding in other people, it's going to make the deck that much smaller, so you may want to add in another deck if you do this. With our deck, aces are going to count for ones, and any other face card, any of my jacks, my kings, my queens, those are going to count for 10. Okay, so we just want to remember that as we're playing, what those cards are going to stand for. You're going to want to take any jokers out of the deck. You won't be needing those. Although a family rule you could make is you could make a joker stand for a certain number just for your family when you play it. I always like to have family rules and, rules that just our family follows. So we're going to play this just like War. So with War, we divide up the set, we shuffle it out, and we deal out the set, the deck, so it's split in half. And then my partner and I, we're going to flip over one card for War at the same time. Well, with High-Low, instead of just doing one card, we're going to flip over two cards. Okay, so let's say I flipped over that and my partner flipped over this. Now, what I'm going to do is I need to add up my numbers. So this is a fluency game to help us with fluency. And my cards are kind of low here. Remember, our ace stands for 1, so I have 4. My partner, if I look, my partner has a 10 and a 3. My partner has 13. My partner is going to get all these cards. Okay, so my partner won that round. Here we go again. Ooh, that's a better card. I needed that card the last round. Okay, so again, we're going to add these up. So if I look at mine, add up these two. 10 and 5. Here's our friend 10. I have 15. 9 and 2. My partner has 11. So I won this one. I get to keep these cards. Now we're going to keep going just like that. The cards that I win, I can take these and I can add them back into my deck. We're going to keep playing just like that. Whoever ends up with the most cards at the end, or whoever ends up with all the cards at the end, is the winner. Okay. Hope you enjoy playing High-Low. Again, that's just a fun, quick little game to play to practice that math fluency. Have fun with your fluency, friends. See you all soon.